Hi girls, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you how to make the cold pineapple with papaya juice. We will make it with easy way and simple things in the home. Continue the video to know how we will make it. To make the pineapple with papaya juice, we will need 4 pineapple pieces and papaya pieces, half green lemon, and 2 small pieces of ginger and mint leaves. And sugar, you can add it if you want. If you don't want, you can remove it. And cold water. And now you will see how we will make it. First, I will add the pineapple and the papaya, mint leaves, lemon and ginger with the water in the mixer. And wait me soon in a video on how to plant the pineapple from the first until you get pineapple plant. And I will start to mix them. And don't forget to like the video while you are watching. Here we have the juice. I will filter it in a filter and I will come back. Here the juice became concentrated and now I will add for it the sugar and cold water with ice. And I will mix them. And here the result, we got the cold pineapple with papaya juice. And also I will appear a card now on how to make the lemon with mint juice. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, write your comment and bye. See you in the next video.